wish I could synthesize a picture perfect guy. Alright, alright.
Man, almost!
6 feet tall and super strong, we always get along.